Hey guys, back at you again today in the garage with another tool review. Today I have Picquic's Super 8 Plus Multi-Screwdriver, Canadian company. This is the Hvac model. This guy comes with bits for 1, 2, and 3 Phillips, a Schrader, a 3/16 and 1/4 inch flat, and a T15 star bit. Also a 5/16 and 1/4 inch nut driver. So this is the Hvac model, as I mentioned earlier, and I'll show you how this works. What makes this guy unique is that all of the bits are held within the handle, which is fantastic. Basically what you do is you, if you had your screwdriver set up, you'd have a bit in the end of the shaft like so. So I just inserted the Schrader core removal, which is great for HVAC guys. Why they came up with the Hvac model. Say I wanted to switch that to another bit. You look on the handle itself, you'll see that you have all of the bits, the heads of them are sticking out towards the end of the handle itself. Those are recessed, so when you're using the screwdriver, you don't feel those heads, which is fantastic. But say I wanted to go ahead and change that out, take out my Schrader core, pick the bit that I wanted to change to. In this case, I wanted to change it to, like, say, a number 2 Phillips. Put the end of the existing bit that you had in your hand on the end. Oh, I got the flat tip instead, sorry. Push it out, pull out your new bit, put it in place, and there's a magnetic, there is a magnet here as well, so it holds it in place. All right, and then you're ready to go. In this case, I had pulled out the flat tip. I meant to grab out the Phillips. Something else that makes this pretty cool is the fact that it has 5/16 and 1/4 inch nut driver on board. So say I wanted to go ahead and use the 5/16 or the 1/4 inch nut driver. Just like a lot of multi-bit screwdrivers, the nut driver is part of the shaft, but in this case we have the 1/4 inch in place. If I wanted to get the 5/16, pull that bit out of place, switch it around, and now you have 5/16 there. Okay, pretty cool idea, and honestly one of the most innovative ones that I've seen. I'm gonna give it a try, do a couple of trial runs with it today in the next couple of days and see how it does, and I'll report back to you. Again, the name is Picquic. This is a Super 8 Plus. They do make several other models if you want to check out their website. They make the 6-pack plus. They make a hex caliber, both in standard and metric. They make the True Torx, which is all Torx bits. They make a Mariner, which is going to be specially treated bits so they don't rust with the salt air. They make a -7, a stubby, and something called a Teeny Turner, which I believe the Teeny Turner is for precision screwdrivers. So if you're doing any kind of electronics work or anything fine, you'd be able to get the right bits. So, all right, thanks for taking the time to check out the video today. Again, if you do enjoy the videos, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.